recognize what actually their personality is, and secondly, when even if they recognize, they fail to polish themselves in the required manner. Third point is that they follow the coast. They follow the coast responses. For example, if you are so actually this is the core problem. I think that the only reason students are not able to make up is that they are not able to recognize themselves in a suitable manner, and they fail to polish themselves in the required manner.
I would like to bring attention to one point that SSB is oriented around our PIQ form and which is about our personal information, and the other tests like TAT, VAT and SRT are somewhere around assessing us about the PIQ. But if a student is not getting the correct responses around his PIQ and trying to fabricate the story, the assessor or the team will get to know that. So the student must focus that whether the responses he or she is writing, that must be correlated somehow to his or her PIQ. Thank you.
Yeah, I agree to your point, but I want to tell basically SSB is about OLQs. If we possess OLQs, then definitely we will make it, but we have to practice. Without practice, we cannot do it.
And one more point we should consider that as more people are getting to know about the SSBs and the opportunities which are provided by SSB, it is gathering a lot of attention from the youngster who are taking serious efforts to making career in the SSB and army. So therefore, there is a lot of competition, and when there is a lot of competition, the selection ratio gets down. So this is one of the reason as well.
I would like to
I would
put
like to
forward a point that
disagree with
SSB is more
Vishwesh's
about
point, because
uh,
when you said that the competition increases and that's why the selection rate also decreases and the rejection rate increases. But I would like to disagree with your point, because SSB is a recommendation process. If there are 500 people getting worth recommending, they will recommend only if there are 10 seats to fill up. SSB is all about selecting the right candidate, not about the best candidate suited for the job. In all the other government services, the exams conducted are to choose the best candidates. No, but in SSB, the exam, the interview is conducted to choose the appropriate candidate. That's what I'm
rightly
saying.
said by Devendra. I would like to put forward a point that SSB is about how normal a person has led his life, because it's believed that every person has OLQs. But if we see in the upbringing, majorly the students in 11th and 12th standard are more focused towards their studies, where due to this they hamper their social adaptability towards other people, and also they lack in sports. So these kind of things I have seen in my friends or even in myself, that somewhere or the other, if a person has led a normal life where they interact with people, the society well, they are aware about what's going on around, it's likely to be selective. However, in some cases these upbringings, there's a change in the lifestyle, and which hampers the selection process.
Continuing Nilakshi's point, she very rightly said that whenever the situation we are in our country right now, the education system doesn't improve our 15 OLQs. It hampers the progress of our OLQs, young students. But SSB wants those kind of candidates who has polished their 15 OLQs rightly by hard work or by being in a good situation. But right now the process is such that not a lot of candidates possess those 15 OLQs. That's what I'm.
Also, many a times I believe that confidence plays a very major role, because I have seen friends, people who have all the OLQs, but they don't put forward it in the way they need to represent themselves. That's because of the lack of confidence. So I believe confidence is a very major role in your selection in the SSB, and such things should be taken into consideration about how to develop confidence for your life and other things.
And
Yeah, I would like to add a point that introspection is important, but also people sometimes the people who go to coaching, they become overconfident, and they are not honest. That's why rejection also increases.
Yeah, that is very
I'd
true
like
for
to disagree with Sakshan's point.
is
When
very
you
good.
said the candidates who go to coachings,
Only
they
trained
become overconfident.
they
A
right
person when goes to coaching, he really wants to join this the
that
stream that which he's going to the coaching for. So I think I'm going to disagree with you on this point. When they get overconfident, the main point where you can say this is they get wrongly coached. That's the main point. They don't get overconfident. You are here coaching for the SSB interview. You will not be overconfident. However good the teachers train you, but you must understand that you might be wrongly coached by some people who just do this for money. All right.
One more point I would like to bring attention that there is a thinner line between the theoretical approach and the practical approach. No matter how fresher tries and does the test by himself, the situation at the SSB center, if he is new and he is not aware about the situation, he may get stressed or may not be able to perform in such conditions. So practicing with students or with the same minded people will benefit them, and this is what freshers lack sometimes if they are not joining any group. So one of the reasons is that the theoretical approach and the practical approach. Thank you.
One more point I would like to add is students also fail to be honest diplomatically. Students, they fail to be diplomatic there, and they also fail to reply honestly whatever they are asked about. Apart from confidence, I think honesty plays a major role, because students always try to fake themselves, and I believe that being honest there means being honest to your motherland there, because at the end, this defense is all about defending your nation. So when you're honest with yourself, when you're honest with the process, then only you will be honest with this nation.
I would like
And I
to
think
talk about Ria's point. When Ria said that students are not being honest with themselves, I would like to process that students in educational institutes try to work hard for marks because the parents have a connection with marks to as the success of a candidate or success of a student. So they are not being honest with themselves through what they want to pursue in life. That's why they lag behind in those qualities. As Sir rightly said in yesterday's lecture, that a scientist may not have a social adaptability section in his OLQs, but he can have a destiny planned in other fields of his life. So a person needs to be honest with himself that what he wants to do and pursue that rightly.
And I think introspection plays a key role in getting recommended or selecting in SSB, because many a times it happens that we don't know the reason of our failure, even though we have a slight idea, but we don't introspect and try to find out those reasons. So if introspection is done properly, whether it's your second or third attempt, you can get the correct answers for your failures or your selection, etc. So introspection is the key, which many students lack while appearing for SSB.
Also, I would
yeah
like to add a point to this. The second most important point is, after introspecting, they should know that where they lack, what are their weaknesses, and more willingness should be there to improve themselves day by day. There many a times there are candidates who know their weakness, but they hardly take any concrete steps to improve. That's more important because it gives an optimistic approach towards your life, which is very important for an officer.
the one who is aiming to be an officer in defense can't do the thing like what you have said, Nilakshi. But one thing that is a bitter truth of the society. Most of the youth that is from which we heading our generation is only on that is totally active on phone, and there is one thing, a type of they have worked on the phones and mobile phones. They don't think too much practically, and they don't understand what are the practical situations, what are the surrounding, what are the geopolitical situation going around themselves. They don't know about their own city, what was the history or history, geography, and any other political activities that have taken place in their city. And this also leads to rejection in the SSB.
Yes,
And I think
rightly
that
said.
communication skills also play a very important role, because as an officer, one has to lead their men. They have to lead their unit. So they need to be effective and efficient, and they are supposed to have a very good communication skills. They need to have a very good impact, so that I heard in a TED talk that before a war, few soldiers died. Now it was the duty of a command of the general to handle their stuff, because the next day they had to go for a war. So the day before, he said that, gentlemen, we have lost a few men, and to pay them tribute, the best way is to fight with all your integrity. So I think communication and motivation plays a very important role, which students also lack in the SSP process.
Yes, the motivation could be one of the main important weapon today, because when any candidate when he fails in any aspect, first he should try by overcoming it. Then only he can win by upcoming events. When he feels that in this platform I have been failed, but how could I win my future outcomes? That time he should not think over it. He should be facing all problems, but he should overcome many problems like this. Then only he can be success in his life. So motivation is the main important for every candidate, as my part of view.
And
Very rightly said by my friends. Yes, Vishwesh.
And many of the candidates are from the regional, the native mother tongue languages, did their studies like in 10th or 12th. So it is a little bit difficult for them to get their communication skills in English for the SSB. So practice is one of the practicing with friends is one of the key for them to improve their communication skill. And since it plays a major role, they need to focus on that as well.
Yes, very rightly said by all my
Yes,
friends.
I agree with that.
Problems. I think we should move on to the solutions, so that there are more people who gets recommended in SSB. So one such solution which I believe and which I truly practice is that we should be very responsible in our own life. Whatever the situation that happens, whatever the decisions that we take in our life, we need to have a logical reasoning for that, and we need to have a planned approach towards how we deal with all the daily tasks. That enhances all our OLQs.
And we should focus on
talking
Yes,
about
I
Nilakshi's
agree
point,
with her,
like when she said
because
we need to look at the bigger
Yes,
picture
I
about the solution where we can produce good candidates who are getting recommended at the SSB. Which I present my solution is that we need to improve our education system. We need to inculcate sports. We need to inculcate extracurricular activities, and we need to improve the knowledge in parents, so they don't bury their children in the burden of marks. Because as we all know that the 15 OLQs, the 4 factors, they can all be built by sports, extracurricular activities, and a good amount of knowledge. So we need to improve our educational system in such a way that the progress the children have during the first 12 years of their schooling life is significant, and makes them help them choose their destiny, make them honest towards what they want to do.
Adding
I
to
think
this, I
students
would
should
like to
focus
add.
on their personality, because whenever a student go to SSB, they trying to forcibly introduce the OLQs in every test. In spite of doing that, they should work on their personality. And as we all know that most of the people, there are large number of people who want to join the armed forces as an officer, but the assessors have not giving any relaxation to the criteria, because they and that is the reason that most of the candidates fail in the SSB.
Yeah,
Because
there is one
adding
more
to
reason of rejection is
that
that
important
people don't know about the
we
armed
focus
forces
on that part.
for whichever organization they are appearing. So it is very important to gain the information about the organization as well.
I
And
want to
one more
clarify
I'd
one
like
point.
to
point, that
I'd like to
is most of the
disagree with my
candidates
friend
think
right
that
here.
SSB is all about
When you
exam.
said that
Let me
they
speak
don't
that.
know about armed forces, they don't know about armed forces because a person, a student cannot know about armed forces as good as well as a sepoy or an officer knows who is from the armed forces. That's not the main point here. That knowledge about armed forces should be there in every candidate who is going to the SSBs or getting recommended. What he should focus is the education system and the way he perceives his life, the way he perceives the problems that are in his life, and what his parents, what his mentors, what his guardians should be taught by the education system, by the policies, which our government should inculcate in the society, in the education
Devendra, I
system.
would like to bring your
Okay,
attention that
okay.
Arun wants to put a point. He's trying to put a point. Please,
Yes,
Arun, go ahead.
let me identify one of the point, that is that most of the candidates who go for SSB think that it is an exam and we want to perform in an exam. That's why they also join coachings to inculcate their personalities. And you think that 10 to 12 days coaching can change their personality? So I don't think that it most of the candidates think that it is a exam. It is a it is a exam of our personality. So we need to build our personality. As like that Devin said, that we need to build our education system, and all our school education system build to be like that, so that the personality of the candidate build in all that 15 OLQ qualities.
Adding to this, I would like to add one more point, sir. Actually, moving towards the solution, one also needs to see what are the requirements of a defense forces. When you have done with your introspection, pen down your strengths and your weaknesses. Where are you weak? What are your strengths? Strengthen your strength areas more, and the ones and the areas in which you are weak. One needs to strengthen themselves in that area. That will fulfill the armed forces requirement. And we need to do this because we need to strengthen our armed forces so that percentage can increase and more people, more and more aspirants can join the defense forces. Thank you.
And I would like to bring the point that even though percentage ratio is nearly 3.67, the rest of the candidates should not lose their confidence, because SSB teaches you the very important values of life, and you can implement that in your rest of your life in whichever profession you are working. So leading that in that profession, being a leader will fulfill at least one of your achievements. I will be one of your achievements, and SSB will help you in that aspect as well.
Rightly said. I would also like to put forward a solution for the people who said that communication plays an important role, and so does the general awareness around what's happening in India and what's happening internationally. For that, people need to read newspaper, and they need to look at the television shows, or say as Doordarshan or beyond, which improves their communication skills and also enhances our knowledge.
And as we have read that planning an organization is the first OLQ, and I believe that each and everything in this world begins with planning. So one also needs
Yes.
to focus focus on each and every task in the SSB process, because that is the first thing to do. You should know what is the SSB process, what are the 9 GTO tasks, and you should also plan and organize accordingly.
I'd like to add to
Definitely.
Ria's point. When a
Awareness
candidate
about
knows the test,
only
the
that.
exams that which he is going to be presented within the SSB, he knows he builds up a confidence which is way above anything he's been knowing or he's been taught in coaching institutes. And as rightly said by a great writer, confidence makes up for everything.
And as we can know
Yeah,
that there are
definitely.
15
I want
so
to add the
okay.
point that screening plays a major role. More than 50% rejection are in screening process. So one should work on OIR and PPDT very well.
Yeah, not on your
Yes, I would also like to add one point that when SSB came, then people started practicing it, like reading newspaper and reading current affairs. They should consider these things in a life and should introspect
Hello.
Hello?
I guess you're not audible. Hello.
Yeah, audio is
okay.
coming.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
continue.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
I
I
think
would.
Mohit, we lost your audio. Would you complete your point, please?
Rahul?
Mohit,
Yeah, Rahul.
Mohit Yadav, would you complete your point?
One guy was
I
telling.
think Mohit is not. Unmute yourself, Mohit.
No, Mohit is unmuted.
Okay,
Okay,
guys,
so
let's continue the discussion.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
continue.
Yes, what students are doing, because they are not working on their personality. When the SSB came, then they start preparing for the SSB. They should consider these things, participate in the day-to-day activities, and introspect himself and learn from this and implement those things to make their future bright. And they should participate in the neighbor and various activities, like and talk with his friends as well as family.
yeah, I
I
would
would like to add a point where
that
rather
we
than
should have a
focusing on
phrase.
the coaching institute and rather than practicing on the exams which are going to be there in the SSB, one should focus more on personality developing, communication skills, because earlier, a decade or two ago, there used to be no very few coaching institutes, and a lot of candidates without coaching used to get selected because they had very good personalities, they had very good communicative skills, and what we should need to inculcate in those candidates is communication skills, OLQs, which can be imbibed through good education, good participation in extracurricular activities, rather than focusing on coaching institutes and rather than bashing those coaching institutes.
Very rightly said. I would also like to put
Yes,
forward a
I
point
agree with.
that serving defense demands leadership, and that quality can be developed. Leadership is developed through experience. So for that, we need to be a strong. We need to be responsible people. That we take the responsibility at a home. Say as there is some task, or we initiate for arranging a party or so, or we lead in a team to win a competition or a match. Through these experience we get a leadership developed, and that is what is more essential for an officer to get recommended.
Adding to this, ma'am, I would also like to add a point that observation plays a very
Yes.
important role. Whatever we do, from the moment we wake and the moment we sleep, the time, we should observe each and everything from our daily routine, from our surroundings. That will help us to develop this quality in ourselves.
And the
Very
smart
rightly
work
said,
is
ma'am.
needed, and only rather than only hard work, smart work plays a pivotal role, because if we know where we want to improve and how to improve, then hard work will surely pay, and the planning with the hard work will result in the more recommendation for the candidate as well.
Okay, so now I think we should sum up all the points because the main topic of the GD was why there is a 3.46% risk in SSB. So now in a chronological order, we should arrange all the points so that each one of us can be more aware about why do candidates fail. So according to me, the first point can be they fail in planning, they fail in organizing, they do not focus on OIR, and they also fail in introspection.
Definitely, they also lack those who fail. They also lack the knowledge about the process of SSB, which is also important. That what all processes are occurring in the SSB.
Third most important point is the lifestyle. Are they living a normal lifestyle where they involve in all the extracurricular and activities and studies? And apart from that, the communication skills and general knowledge and awareness about surroundings.
Yes, in the SSB, there is no one competitor after getting screened in. So, and so the people are trying to show themselves as a leader, and but in spite of that, they should cooperate in all the tests. Then it will be easily go through.
Rather than focusing on small things, one should focus more on the personality development and building up of confidence in a candidate, in a student at a very young age. So my solution to this situation is looking at the big picture. This solution is not short-term solution; it's a pretty large, big-term solution. We should improve our education system in such a way that every school is must to imbibe those qualities, those four OLQs, because education only plays a reasoning ability or organizing ability, or the brain part is only related to the education system. Sports inculcates social adaptability, and all the other things are imbibed in a candidate, in a student, through a lot of activities which are not being done in our schools, or are being done in a small number of schools in our country.
Yeah, what my friend said is right. From the basic level, you should improve everything. Yeah, base is important for everything.
Sharpening our strength and working on our weaknesses and trying to improve in that aspect will help the candidates as well.
I want to add one point that first of all, we need to decrease the gap between the borderline, the
Defense
officers,
force
and the
can get some.
civilian. So there is a wide gap. We have to decrease the gap, and we need to give the defense education to our newly students who are appearing in 10th, 11th, 12th, and this can be done by motivating themselves, by improving their education toward defense also.
But 10th, 11th, 12th will be giving us a groups. They'll be not given as a difference because it could be taught from class 6th or being 7th or 8th. From that level only they can be get few more
No,
awareness
they
about.
can. No, they can easily understandable when they are
But
in a 17, 16 to 18 age. They are in a 7th and 8th class. Student cannot understand what they are talking about, what is defense. So we need to give them education from 10 to 12th, and we need to organize some seminars also.
but this generation children are more clever, right? They may understand everything.
So your point is appreciable, but I would like to present it in a different manner. Actually, SSB is not about asking about the defense forces. When you're going for SSB, they are not asking you what is Air Force. They are not asking you the ranks or what about the fighter jets. Hardly there will be just one or two questions. SSB is all about knowing you, because they are doing the staffing. They want the right person for the right job. And I think apart from teaching defense, yes, we should be taught defense from a childhood, but also I think that a journal entry, or you can say the daily entry, diary entry, it should be made a part of a curriculum in school, so that it will help all the students to analyze themselves right from the childhood. Because as we are grown ups, we are all around 25 years of age, we are still finding it difficult to know what our strengths are, what our weaknesses are, because we have not done this diary entry in our childhood days. So I think that in the present scenario, in this education system, we should inculcate this diary entry as a compulsory subject, so that it will be helpful for the children to know themselves from the very beginning. And by doing this, I think it will also increase the rate for SSB selection.
My
And
point is
getting
not
back to the
that
point,
we need to
they
teach
should
the
work in a group
education
and
like
practice in a group,
skill one or
improve their skills,
my
which
point is
they
that
can't do
to
individually,
motivate the students about defense, because if they don't motivate, they are not motivated to join defense. If they have not the feeling of defense, then how they join the defense, how the percent of
Yes,
candidates will
Arun.
increase. So
Yes,
I'm
Arun.
not saying that
I would
about the
like to
defense
disagree with
education. It
Arun.
means that
I would like to
you need
disagree
to
with
know
Arun
all about the
because
defense forces, Indian
the
Air Force
the
or
candidates that are in
Yeah,
appearing for the exams like CDS and ND and FCAT, the number of candidates is not less. there are a lot of candidates appearing for the exams.
No,
There are a lot of
I'm saying
students
about
going for
NDA and
SSBs
all the
also.
exams.
But what I'm saying, what you are saying is, we need to motivate students. The motivation is very good, but the more important thing is introspection, as Ria said, because a candidate does not have introspection about himself, what he lacks, what he should be doing in his life, what he should be improving in his life to inculcate those OLQs, rather than teaching those students about military rules and ranks.
I'm
They
also
should
not
be.
saying about the rules of military, man.
So
I'm
at the
just
very
saying
beginning, I
He
used
is, if
exactly
he
what
knowledge
and
you
she
about
is
said.
not
military.
motivated, if he and she is not motivated about defense, then how the feeling came in himself that he
Friends,
wanted to do something, he wanted to do that
Okay,
to
that's
inculcate these
that's what I'm saying.
OLQ
That's what I'm
qualities.
saying. That's what I'm saying.
So
There are a lot of
at the
candidates
very
appearing for CDS, FCAT, and NDA. The motivation in the country's candidates or students is very high. We do not need to worry about that. We need to worry about the motivation, the student who has motivation, how we need to improve their confidence, improve their knowledge about SSB, improve their lifestyle,
Yes,
improve their
yes, that's
personalities. We need to worry more about that rather than improving the motivation. The motivation for
so
you must have seen a lot of, whenever a soldier get martyred, the amount of crowd gathers for his cremation. You must have seen the number.
Yes,
The
friends, what
motivation
I
is not
think
the
we are
problem.
getting deviated by the topic. We are getting
yeah.
deviated from the topic. Let's stick to the topic and try to find the
let's discuss. We
solution.
are discussing about the solutions.
Yes, yes.
The
So
main
at the very
solution,
beginning, I said that
which I feel is that
So let's start
one
one
needs to
by one,
focus
giving
on
our.
the big.
Hey, guys,
One need to
listen to me.
focus on the education system. One need to focus on the personality development. One needs to focus about communication skills, and they all can be developed if the education system, if the government plans very thoroughly. As a very good writer Daniel Kahneman once said, that the main thing that drives a country is the policies of the country, and if the policies of the country is not up to the mark in education system, then we cannot do a lot of things marginally. We need to look at the bigger picture, and we need to develop this education on the candidates and the students at a very basic level, and
Listen to me.
gradually whenever the years pass, they will develop those OLQs gradually. It's a gradual process. You cannot fast forward the process. You can, as one said, in 15 days, a coaching institute cannot inculcate those OLQs in you. If you haven't
Yes,
played sports for 15 years, a coaching institute cannot inculcate or cannot have the social adaptability hard drive put in you, and you will be showing those social
Okay,
adaptability
guys, this is
skills or
going too far.
OLQs.
Now we should sum up the topic by
okay.
putting in points. Is that what are the solutions? Just putting in them in points.
The first solution, which I believe, is to be active in our daily life, to take responsibility for our actions and things that are going around us. The second thing, which is more important, is to read newspaper daily, which makes us more aware and also improves our communication skills.
Second
Third
solution,
point.
I think, that
Definitely.
one
Also, we
should
should participate in sports also, so that it will improve our overall personality.
and one should also focus on the gray areas where they lack, what they lack. They should focus on the gray areas.
Yes, exactly like Ria has mentioned, one should know themselves. An individual have to find themselves first. They should know their weaknesses, their strength. Besides that, the daily routine and the daily curriculum, we can inculcate it.